Hey y'all, so me and my friend Lindsay, we went to Food Lion and we decided that we wanted to make a cake. We didn't film an intro or an outro because, dumb bitches. Long story short, it was a disaster. We filmed this video about a couple months ago, and I didn't edit it until right now. And, yeah. Enjoy.
Aliens and
we only have one tip. And it's
be fine. One tip. Who gives a fuck? Okay, first.
I want to eat it. You still need to find a bowl to put it in.
This is my bowl. That's too big.
That's too small.
This is perfect.
Let's ask the audience.
You can't answer us. Oh, you're tall. Get that M&M bucket. Yep. You see how easy it is for her to just reach up. I've had this for like so many years. Dump that bitch in.
Your scissors don't scissor.
Yeah, they scissor. You just don't know how to scissor. Plus, you should almost got it everywhere.
I'm excited.
Let's show them the box. We got Funfetti
For $1.19.
and that's the best part of it.
We got all this shit for $5.
So, you want to make a cake? This is easy.
Wait, did you already put it in?
The water?
Where's the oil?
Oh shit. Olive oil.
Yeah. Give it to me.
What does it say on the back? A half a cup of oil. Oh shit. Try to not get
Oily.
your yolk, the eggshell in it.
If we're doing,
That's good. That's good. That's good.
No, it's not.
That's half a cup.
It has to touch the line.
Okay. King. Now we need the. My kitchen's so small.
Perfect. Whisk.
We're gonna whisk this up. 50. Oh, I thought it. Look what time it is. I thought it was green. I'm fucking weak. Yo, this already looks so good. Look at that.
Beat it up. Beat it up.
Oh. It smells so good, Sarah. We're whisking it up. And then we're gonna put it in this.
And then we're gonna pipe it up.
Yes, we're gonna pipe it up.
Who's your daddy?
I am not a good camera.
Now it's upside down.
Damn it.
Just do it. You took the phone.
Next, after it's all whipped up, and you're gonna pour some oil in your pan to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan, because we want 2 layers, okay?
Baking queen.
Yes, we want 2 layers. And then
ASMR.
I'm
It looks like I'm baking with my little sister.
thanks for that.
I will put that one in.
Yeah, we'll put that one in. Okay. Oh wait, get the camera and show them it pouring. What the fuck?
Pouring porn.
Yes. Yes. I thought we were gonna have enough for 2, but that's a damn lie.
Oh, we should have bought 2. Gotta go back to Food Lion. Shut up.
Look at that.
Fuck me up.
Forever. Doesn't it taste good?
That shit's popping.
Do you want this? Yes. Actually, I'm gonna need that. What? What, you just licked it?
Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in on every clap I just did. It's gonna be super fun.
Oh.
Nice and creamy and delicious and oh my god. Spank it.
Your sister watches these, you say? Spank the cake, Alyssa. Spank it. We'll crop that one out. Now we're gonna let her sit. What?
Good mixing skills, baking queen.
Actually,
So now that your oven is baked at 350 degrees, you can play your Snapchat pool and then put that shit in the oven for a minute.
shut up!
Did you hear me?
Open the fuck up.
Oh, what?
Look at this pretty puppet.
Here, pop it, pop it, pop it.
And then next, after this cools for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, we gonna slap this on it without trying to break it, because we gotta get it out of here. So,
We're gonna flip that, huh?
yep. I'm gonna put it on. Think that's big enough?
What?
No. Don't do that. We have to flip it the other way for it to stop.
So due to unforeseen circumstances, it looks like this. But it's okay, because she's icing it. Okay,
We're gonna come back.
so
1 minute. Press 1.
heating the
icing.
icing because it's making the cake break apart. Radiation. That shit wasn't even done.
Shut up. They don't need to know. None of their business.
Did you break it?
Just like
Lindsay.
one side of it.
It's a circle. Is it working?
Yes. Get in there, boy. Get in there. Hey, it's working at least. Look at this, guys. It's going on over here.
It's going. Oh.
Y'all, we never said we knew how to bake a cake.
I think we should have known when we bought the mix for $1.19.
It actually tastes really good, though.
Yeah, for real. I'm not mad at it.
What are y'all doing?
We're fucking icing a cake.
That's not how you ice a cake. Oh my god.
What do you mean this isn't how you ice a cake, Mom? The icing's on the cake.
You don't rub the cake until it breaks off.
Yo, we tried our absolute best. It will look better after the sprinkles.
What the hell are you doing, Lindsay? Are you giving her baking advice?
No, I just gotta make it.
Stop touching
I gotta get it into the shape. Oh, this is bad. We should just dump like a shit ton of icing right here.
Yeah.
Why did you rub it?
Here, is there any more in there?
Are you mad at us?
I don't give a shit what y'all do.
Oh yeah.
Damn right.
See, it makes it look 10 times better.
Yeah.
Just look at that. That's a beautiful ass cake. Now we're gonna write our names. Right, Sarah.
Yeah.
No.
What is that?
L.
Are we going to see Monica or what?
Just put L-I-N.
No, I hate that. L-I-N-D.
No, no D. Plus.
It's supposed to mean and.
We have to send this to your mom. She's gonna be proud of us.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is. She's gonna love it.
My A's falling off.
Then we'll just.
Wait, I want to do a flower
Okay.
or a spiral. Boop.
This right here, Linz and Sarah completed confetti cake. All right, this is the taste test.
Never tried it ever.
Not once. Look at those edges. No,
Didn't eat it.
Didn't eat it. Wait, grab a piece.
Cheers.
Wait, what? You want my piece?
Mukbang. That was literally a mouthful of icing. I need to be hydrated after that.
It tastes like diabetes in a cup, but it's okay.
You know. No, you need to see this because.
Hey, watch my clothes!
Okay, Mom. Damn.
Your
right here's
clothes.
good. Right here's good. Right there, this whole section right
Lindsay,
here.
that's just gross.
Mom, I tried my damn best. Okay, so the timer. You thought the timer went off, but really,
It still hasn't gone on.
this timer hasn't gone off for about 20 minutes now. So the cake only cooked for about 10 minutes.
Well, y'all didn't try very hard.
Do you want this piece right here? Because this piece is cooked.
Oh, there it goes.
There's who?
There's the timer for the cake.
Oh my god.
That's why it was falling apart when we were icing.
That was crazy.